Ababekindaba bethu bazipheka ngonongalaza wepoto ngombana phela ziningi zinjalo nje ziyachisa nanzi ezijujileko.
A safe journey is better than a fast one. Rest when you are tired. Sleepy driver is just as dangerous as a drunk driver.
Ungqongqotjhe wezokuthutha uPapa Chris ulemukise isitjhaba bona njengobana imisebenzi eminingi ivalile namhlanje abantu baya emakhaya abantu abaphephe endleleni.
I hear something coming rumbling from the high above levels, and I knew they were doing construction above, so I knew to quickly take cover and run.
Uqinisekiswe bona kubhubhe umuntu omunye ngemva kokugirika komakhiwo wethempeli ozinto ezine eVerulam KwaZulu-Natal namhlanje.
Lokubhlungu lokwendekile nje ukuthi inamba seyikhulile iku5 3 laba drownile nalababili ke labashaywe ngegesi.
Izulu ebelina umvimbi libulela abantu abahlanu eMkomazi eMpumalanga.
Me being part of the team, I believe that it has helped in terms of just making sure that we share my.
Siyakhuleka ekhaya siza siphethe indaba ku SABC1 nginguthulani Bongwe akwande sitshaba seNkosi. Kuqinisekiswe bona kubhubhe umuntu omunye ngemva kokugirika komakhiwo wethempeli ozinto ezine eVerulam KwaZulu-Natal namhlanje. Kusola bona bekusakhiwa lapho. Okhulumela umnyango wezombuso ohlanganyela nendaba zamasiko KwaZulu-Natal uSenzelwe Mzila uphaye insolo zokuthi ubujamo bezulu ngibo obangele ukuthi umakhiwo lo ugirike.
I-Reaction Unit South Africa ithi kulimela abantu abambalwa kanti bagijinyiselwe esibhedlela ngemva kokugirika kwamakhiwo ozinto ezine eVerulam eTlhagwini eThekwini. Umnqophisi weRusa uPrem Balram uthi pheze abantu abasithandathu abavaleleke ngaphasi kwerubhi. Isiqhema isihlangulako sendaweni sehlakalo abalimeleko basakhona ukukhuluma namalunga wemndeni.
Yes, various injuries. They were taken to a local hospital. Some were actually taken privately. While we were on scene, they were loaded into vehicles and expedited to a local hospital. So I can't comment on their injuries. I haven't followed up. We are busy on the scene. But the 6 that are possibly trapped, and those numbers are not confirmed, have been communicating. Some have been communicating with family members from under the rubble via SMS and sending out images of the location that they are trapped on.
Omunye wongazimbi obeka ngaphasi kwefuqofuqo uthi usindiswe ukuzifihla umakhiwo lona ugirikako.
Basically, I was almost about leaving the site. We do granite work and cupboard work, so we're doing some work in the temple. And I was about to leave, and then I hear something coming rumbling from the high above levels, and I knew they were doing construction above, so I knew to quickly take cover and run. So we ran into the area of the temple where fortunately we were safe, because if we ran the other direction, we wouldn't be here today.
Omunye wabahlanguli uthi ihlelo lokuhlangula lingaphela kusasa.
It can take late into the night, even up to tomorrow, so it's going to be a long process because we cannot rush this rescue or recovery, depending on what it is. Firstly, safety comes first.
Besizelo khabako bathi kuqakathekile bona balirage ngokukhulu ukutjheja ihlelo lokuhlangula ukuqinisekisa bona akunabantu abathindekako.
Ungqongqotjhe wezokuthutha uPapa Chris uthi angaphezulu kwama458 amajima wokuvimba kuhlole inkolo yabanjiweko solo kuthoma amaholide kaNobayeni. Kujanyiswe inkolo ezingaphezulu kwenkulungwana ezimakhulu341. uChris utosa phambili ijima lokuqinisa ukulandelwa komthetho wendlela endleleni N1 eMawubani hlanu kweCarousel Toll Plaza eLimpopo.
As we all know, remains a particularly dangerous time given traffic volumes.
Nabeka khuluma nembikindaba ungqongqotjhe wezokuthutha uPapa Chris uveze ukuthi ingozi zendlela ezibulala abantu engozini zendlela zihle ngamaphesenti alikhomba ukusuka ngoChirhweni bekube ngisinye khaba umnyaka lo. Uthi isibalo sengozi zendlela nabantu ababhubhele engozini zendlela sikhuphuke kakhulu esifundeni seMpumalanga kunazo zonke imfunda.
An additional 689 drivers, passengers and pedestrians were arrested for various offences, which include speeding, reckless and negligent driving, and jaywalking on a highway. Walking on a highway or crossing a highway is illegal.
Ijimeli liqaliswe khulu kubasebenzisi bendlela phakathi kweGauteng, iLimpopo neTlhagwini Njigalanga ngalesi sikhathi somnyaka. uChris ukhombela abasebenzisi bendlela ukuthi babekelele ukuphepha phambili, babalekele ukuchayela ngebelo eliphezulu khulu.
A safe journey is better than a fast one. Rest when you are tired, because a sleepy driver is just as dangerous as a drunk driver.
Ungqongqotjhe uba abasebenzisi bendlela ukuthi bacheje bayelele ngombana kuba nesiminyaminya endleleni ezikule elizweni zombelele, khulukhulu njengombana abantu abanengi sebavalile emsebenzini, sebachinga emakhaya nendaweni zokuphola.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuza ukuthi uyaphi ngama-holiday nje, asizombono wakho mbukeli.
Abaqhubi baziphathe kakuhle, indlela izabaphatha kakuhle, abathi baziphatha kakuhle.
Mina amaholiday siwaqala kusasa kanye nemndeni wami siphumile siye lapha boHazyview kaMajika.
Ngizokusuka ngapha ngeDalmas ngiyokuvakatsha le kwaNdebele la ngikhulele khona.
Ndizoke ndithatha usapho lwam sike sithi short left apha ePort St John's.
Mina ke ngiyehla nje ngisuka la eGoli ngemsinga naso isikhwama sami. Sasa nje hayi ngiyolala ekhaya.
Mina ngithanda ukuhamba during unyaka mkhathi. Thatha amakhambo wami ngaphakathi konyaka.
Ayikho indawo engiplana ukuya kuyo nje ngizobe ngihlalele ekhaya ngihlezi nomndeni wami.
Mina ndiya eStaxspruit eHeshele kwaKhiba. Ngiyodla khona iChristmas.
Sasilanga nalivelako silanda ngale eJenfes. Benekan eLimpopo.
Utsho umbono wombukeli SABC izokuthwasa umlando ukuziphendulela kombono wombukeli. Ungqongqotjhe ofisini kaMengameli otsheje zaboma ilutshana abantu abonokukhubazeka usindisiwe Chikunga ulomikisa amadoda ukuthi akube ngiwo adosa phambili ijima lokukhalima ukukhahlumezana ngokobulili nokubulawa kwaboma. uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa wamemezela ukuhloliswa kwaboma njengehlekelele ilizwe.
Chikunga uthi ukuvikela ngikho kuqakathekileke ekulweni nezenzo zokuhlorisana ngokobulili. Uthi amadoda kufuze ayilume indwele. Umvekeli womphakathi walokho uAdvocate Thuli Madonsela ukhabe phezulu kwamagama kaChikunga. Ungqongqotjhe uChikunga uthi amadoda kufuze avikele imphakathi kungabi ngiwe kodwa uphahla la jako.
Ngubhubhe abantu abahlanu ngenxa yezulu ebesolo lithela umvimbi kumasipalata weNkomazi eMpumalanga. Kokutsho kwamasipalata abantu abathathu bacwilile nabebeca amabhlorho kwathi ababili batsha ngemva kokutshokwa igezi. Ihlangano esizako iGift of the Givers beyinikela ngokudla eBoschfontein emndenini ethindekileko.
Khulu umonakalo otshiywe lizulu eNkomazi. Kuphepha kwezindlu ezinye zagirika kwasala kumarobhi. Masipalata obawe zakhamuzi ukuthi zihlale zigadile kulesi sikhathi.
Lokubhlungu lokwendekile nje ukuthi inamba seyikhulile iku5 3 laba drownile nalababili ke labashaywe ngegesi. Simo ke lesingathandzeki lesingasifisi ukuthi sendeke ke. Siyacela ke kumphakathi waseNkomazi ukuthi ugadze abantwana ukuthi bangaweli imifula mayigcwele bangadlaleli nasemadameni.
Izakhamuzi zithi zonakalelwe impahla ngobuningi.
Ekhaya la ngihlala khona kuphapha emathayela ibulele emafastera bekumadima nje vele kakhulu singakhona ukuthi sitawenda njani.
Siconnectile nabomakhelwane lebangakahanjelwa sakhona kubeka tindo tethu emagaraji abo kona siphephukelwe indlo kakhulu kwaba lusizi lomunye umntwana nje walimala ngoba yamthola asachamuka cathi imvula lencane walishayeka ngesangcotho walimala.
Ihlangano esizako iGift of the Givers ithiza kusolo ikhona isiza abantu abonakalelweko.
On the ground, about 400 houses that were affected, and then the 10 villages also were affected. And then our team, it's like the food parcels, the hygiene pack, cleaning materials, the coffee, just to give to the victims.
Masipalata usabalinani lobungako bomonakalo obangelwe mawuruwuru.
Nasisezwe lezo abantu abahlala hlanu kwedamu iThabo seBrongor ePumalanga yePitori bafudusiwe ngenxa yokuba sengozini yokungenzeka bagelekelwe libota ledamu kulandela izulu esolo lwathela umvimbi besizo elihabako kumasipalata weTshwane bathi isichima sabo sibeke lihlo libukhala selelisa ngokuthi izulu elinalingaraga nomvimbi ibota ledamu lizogirika kanilokho kungabeka impilo yezakhamuzi engozini.
Abantu abahlala eplasini elihlanu kwedamu iThabo seBrongor bathonyekile ngokuphepha kwabo njengoba nakhe kwagirika amadamu amabili kanalo leli kusele kancane ukuthi ligirike. Bemba imsele ehlanu kwedamu kwenzela bona amanzi adlule khona. Bathi bekungasilula ukwenza imisebenzi yabo yemihla kulamalanga adlulileko ngenxa yehlekelele ehlezi imacuphe.
We used to travel our road to our houses. It's over the dam wall. And that's the only access that we have. And with a dam wall that is deteriorated and on, like it is now, there's no road to our houses.
Hlangana nabantu abalilako balwa nabo somaplasa baba umasipalata weTshwane ukuthi akasikime.
They must just start to fix this small road which is going that side and to fix the bridge at all. This bridge must be fixed because it was constructed about 1980 and without engineers, without anybody. It was constructed by we farm workers.
Ngomasipalata weTshwane babeki lihlo libukhali.
As for the structural engineers that we need to open a trench for the water to flow to the Brongor Strait, also known as eGungwini.
Umasipalata lo uthi ubeka ilihlo ubujamo bezinto kanibonke ababelana abafaneleko sebasendaweni le sebakulungela ukweqana kufunekako.
Nasibuya entolo. Umbikindaba wethu uDlozi Mnisi ukhulumisana nomphathi wemhatsho ye-SABC eMpumalanga kokuthumba kweGukwezi FM kuma-Telkom Radio Awards. Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1 nazikuphundileko uyazithola ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X naku-Facebook. Nambasikhambe. Ibandla lezokuchuchiswa komphakathi lisolwa ngokubhalelwa kuthatha amagadango ufakazi nakaza kunikela abachuchisi ubufakazi bokahlumezwa kwamalungelo obuntu begodi nensolo zokubulala ekwenziwa amalunga wamapholisa weKhathomano kunye nomholi wabo uMajor General Johan Boysen. Lokhu ngokuya kwaka-advocate Thembeka Ncukaitobi oliqwetha lomchuchisi weSewula eGauteng ojanyiswe ku-advocate Andrew Chauke osola ikulu ye-NDPP u-advocate Shamila Patohi kokuthindeka ekudimela bongazimbi beBoysen neKhathomano obulungiswa.
U-advocate Ncukaitobi ukhumbuze indaba yokubulawa kwakakwazi Ndlovu weminyaka eli-16 ubudala owadunyiswa wabulawa ngo-2010 lipholisa u-warrant officer Gonasa-Grand Phadayachi ilunga leKhathomano. uPhadayachi nabalingani bakhe ngokomsebenzi kwathi ngemva kwalapho bathosa amacala wezenza eziphambukileko ezihlotshaniswa nokuphula amalungelo obuntu kunye nokuphula umthetho.
This is part and parcel of the problem. You've brought in a senior director of public prosecutions of extensive experience who went through these dockets, came to the conclusion that at least in the KwaZulu case, there should have been a prosecution. Having gone through these dockets, and you've said there was no evidence, there was no evidence, there was no evidence.
Ikomishini le ize ubufakazi bepholisa laphambilini uArista Nekas eksola bona wabo nokubethwa kunye nokubulala okwenziwa amalunga weKhathomano.
He texting a witness and says the following: "Hi Malaka Draft Dodger, you are making a fool of yourself. Why don't you come and testify in South Africa? You are a coward." Let's just stop there. Now, Major General Boysen knows full well why Mr. Danikas fled the country. It is because he was scared of a possibility of murder by the Ketumana unit. Is that correct?
I have no idea. You should ask that of Major General Boysen.
Ikomishini ya Raka.
Imirhatsho ye-SABC yenze ezibukwako kibonongorwana be-Telkom SA Radio Awards e-Sandton Convention Centre. I-SABC ibuye nabonongorwana abama-27. Unongorwana ongomkhulu omrhatsho ophambili kunayo yonke i-SABC kothethwe yiKwekwezi FM. Akusingunongorwana loyo kwaphela, kodwana nayo ube nabaphekeleli. Umbikindaba we-SABC uDlozi Mnisi ukhulumisana nomphathi wemrhatsho ye-SABC eMpumalanga, uNkosinathi Ntuli.
Thokoza Thulani Mbala injalo sinomphathi wemrhatsho ye-SABC eMpumalanga uNkosinathi Ntuli. Mhlalukwana, asithome ngokunithokozisa nimrhatsho yeKwekwezi FM neligwalagwala ngokuthumba kuma-Telkom Awards.
Ngiyathokoza Dlozi, ngithokoza kakhulu kwamambala, sithokoza nabo bonke abalaleli abasisekeleko.
Ungakhe mhlambe uhlathululele umbukeli ekhaya ukuthi ngimiphi imkhakha enithumbekile nokuthi batsho ukuthini kini nimrhatsho abonongorwana abani kini nabalaleli?
Wow, kutsho okukhulu ke lokhu. Imikhakha esithumbekiyo iKwekwezi FM neligwalagwala FM. Khumbule ukuthi bekukokuthoma nonyaka nje ukuthi imirhatsho emibili izifumane inyulwa ngalendlela inyulwe ngayo ngaphakathi kwama-Telkom Radio Awards. Okutsho khona ukuthi nonyaka nje senze ngamandla siqinisekisa ukuthi sibuya nakho konke lokho esikufumeneko begodu besifuna ngale kwakhona okutshengisa ukuthi kusesekudela siyakhona kodwa ibanga lilide linje kunengi ke godu esele sesikwenzile. Hlangana nabonongorwana sibuye nabo kufaka hlangana unongorwana ukukhamba phambili namtjana kwehlelo elikhamba phambili leminekulu elichayelwa ngubiziwe emrhatshweni Kwekwezi FM. Kube godu kunongorwana abahala bangakabongwa ama documentaries kutshengisa ukuthi ama documentaries weKwekwezi FM akhamba phambili njenganje eSouth Africa lithulwa ngubongwe osemoyeni lo njenganje ngale kwalapho kube ngunongorwana wokusekelwa abalaleli khulu otshengiswe abalaleli beligwalagwala FM okutsho khona ukuthi lokho esikuphakelako kubanikeza inamba la kungilokho abakufunako bese kuba ngomkhulu kunongorwana odlula bonke hlangana kwabonongorwana bebakhona be-Telkom Radio Awards unongorwana womrhatsho okukhamba phambili emirhatsheni erhatshela umphakathi iPBS Station of the Year ethunjwe iKwekwezi FM nonyaka nje nekuyinto engokokuthoma yenzeka eminyakeni ema-42 yomrhatsho iKwekwezi FM begodu netshengisa ituthuko yomrhatsho.
Mhlalukwana ngikuphi mhlambe enikwenzileko nimrhatsho ekuhlukileko okunenze bona ninikelwe unongorwana ukuba mrhatsho ephambili kiyo yonke i-SABC?
Yazi nava nesitshela abantu sithi uMuhammad Ali wathi nakatshoko ukuthi ubona wena ukhanyazela kwamalehe lokhu namhlanje okubonakele ngomgqibelo weSandton Convention Center ngokwakho ipili yasithumbi ngaphakathi evadleni nakuyipi ithunjwa ngaphambi koba nakufika evadleni kuthethe iminyaka emine sikuhlelela lokho sikhamba sichukuchulula amahlelo sichukulula into ezihlukahlukeneko ezifaka hlangana ukuhleleka kwawo amahlelo nalokho esikumumethe ngaphakathi emahlelweni bekodwa nokuthi sikhulume nabalaleli ngobduze khumbula nge-social media ne-digital media siyisebenzisa kole isenza sikhona ukufumana ngobulula ukuthi umlaleli ngikupha afuna ukufumana begodu lokho sikwenze Kwekwezi FM sikwenze kuligwalagwala FM nokutshengisa ukuthi abalaleli bafumana lokho abakufunako ngaphakathi emrhatshweni kodwa ngale kwalapho namahlelo ethu akhuluma nasinto ephathelene nokuthuthukisa kwesitshaba ekuyinto emumethwe mongo othwele imirhatsho yemiphakathi erhatshela imiphakathi ngaphakathi eSABC iPBS mandate yethu ithi ekufanele sikwenze kukufunda kuqinisekisa ukuthi siyabika begodu siqinisekise nokuthi siyathabisa ngikho ke sikwenzileko lokho ngakho konke sikwenzako kodwa nokuqhakatheke khulu sithokoza abalaleli bethu bona abathe nanyana sesikhamba senza amajuguluko lapha nalapha batshengisa isekelo labo namhlanje nasimvuzo bayayibona sithokoza siqedi sithi kwangathi uzimo nabezimba ngabalula nakho umnono phezukwabo.
Iyazakala sesiyiphetha mhlalukwana ikulumethu mhlambe kumlaleli osekela iKwekwezi FM ngikuphi ongathanda ukutsho kuye?
Yo sithayelelwa amagama okuthokoza sithayelelwa amagama okumthokoza umlaleli kodwa nasithome njengokuthi sithi sithokoza siqede imlaleli siKwekwezi FM siSABC Mpumalanga sithi okwenzeka ithi nonyaka nje ungagcina nakancane kunenge sisakuphathele khona ngikho sithoma ngokuthi asokugidinga nawe njengoba nasenza njengomhla ka16 la sithi khona umlaleli ngeveke ezako ngelesibili akeza zokugidinga nathi njengoba nasabe sigidinga ngale ngekhulisile Palace la sithi khona izamlaleli uzokubona nangonongorwana nakho begodwa uzokwazi ukucoca uthinta abahatshi bakho uthabele nakumvuzo wemisebenzi yakho ngale kwalapho nakumahlelo vele sizomphakela wona ngendlela awafuna ngakhona sithanga siphelela nenhliziyo ke lokho nakunento afuna ukuyiphawula afuna ukuyiveza sisabawana nje ukuthi ayisebenzise i-email ethi info@kwekwezfm.co.za ngoba na mibono efana nayo leyo eyenza ukuthi sikwazi ukukhibelela sikwazi ukuqinisa la siqinise khona begodwa sikwazi ukuthi sivuke ngamandla amatsha ngokwazi ukuthi lokho esikwenzako kungilokho kufunwa umlaleli sazomsebenzela kodwa umlaleli kude la siya khona sithokoza ngikho ngithi nasithokoza konje sithokoza umlaleli ababelani amabhizinisi nawo nje wonke umuntu oqinisekisa ukuthi Kwekwezi FM iyakhula sithi abahlali neKwekwezi FM njalo kusesikunenge sibaphathele khona nabo somabhizinisi SABC kusekhaya Kwekwezi FM kungakwethu.
Sithokoze khulu umhlalukwana esikhathi sakho ukuthi uphumelele uzokhulumisana nathi lapha endabeni zesindebele kukhanya ba
namba la kukhanya ba sithokoze dlozi sithokoze nabo bonke abalingani
uthandwako enarheni iKwekwezi FM kukhanya ba.
Abafundi abavela emkhayeni etlhayelelwako eMpumalanga bafumene ithuba lokugidinga umnyanya okuthabela ukuceda umatric i-matric dance eSomaroboko ebeyaziwa ngeDoornfontein E. Umsebenzi lo uhlelwe ihlangano engalawulwa mbuso iZazamahlangu Foundation. Abafundi bakhuthaziwe bona umuntu ukuziphatha kuhle.
Baphelele ngezembatho ezihle abazinikelwe ngilehlangano engalawulwa mbuso iZazamahlangu Foundation abafundi. Umnyanya uhlelelwe ezimu khona lethu lifestyle magega nendlela iR573 Mloto Road eSomaroboko eMpumalanga. Kulapha iZazamahlangu Foundation ebeyihlanganisa abafundi bakaMatric abafunda emphumela omuhle eLandkloof yabahlanganisela khona izobalola ngokwemikhumbulo ivuselela isimilo sabo nokwakha amathemba empilweni zabo ngamabizelo ahlukahlukeneko wabo. Nonyaka nje uZazamahlangu lethu omkhwezeli womnyaka utshijile nabanye ababelana ukuthi abeze ngaphambili bazokufaka isandla ebafundini abaqeda umatric khona bazokuba nesibindi sokuqalana nepilo ngale kwakaMatric.
Ababuya ku different backgrounds, vulnerable backgrounds, abanye ababelethi baba abasebenzi, and also sahlanganisa ukuthi sibathekela amasudu sibatholela namarogo amahle nenyathelo ukuthi sihlangane lana bese sikwazi ukuba celebrate.
Abafundi abenzelo umnyanya bathabile ukukhunjulwa.
I think into esifundile ukuthi above everything mele sibe ne discipline because sisayofacana nomhlaba, and as young as we are going to be standing alone in all of this, so kufuneka discipline.
Ingikhulumi bezidlegana estage.
To every learner sitting here, you made it. You made it through early mornings, late night, and exams, pressure, friendship, failure, success, and everything.
Bebakhona nabalingisi bemidlalo kamabonwa kude nemafilimini kunye nabavumi abafana noZodwa Mabhena bakhuthaza abafundi nangokuqhakatheka kwamabizelo nokuthi bangathoma balise isikolo bathabe bazitsheje ngalesi sikhathi sokuphela komnyaka nabasalinde imiphumela yabo kaMatric ngoChirhweni kwaba kuhle kwabanjaya.
Sikhona zesizulu ngesimbi ekhomba kube iphela veke emnandi nephephileko. Yukhobongile.